purple. Okay, buksan na natin. Saan yun? Si Pony! Si My Little Pony! Yung naka-purple, nakuha ko. Okay. Next ay mga notebook ko. Labubu notebook. Tsaka Blackpink notebook. Flower notebook. Heart notebook. Valentine's Day notebook. Heart notebook. Labubu notebook. Tsaka Sophia na notebook. Tsaka Hello Kitty notebook. Ayun lang, dami kong notebook eh. Bukas gagawa ko blind box. Tsaka ito yung nakuha ko sa My Little Pony. Tsaka to si Applejack. Bukas gagawa na lang ako, guys. Mag-unbox ako. Bye-bye. Please like and comment what is your favorite blind box and blind bag. Bye-bye.